Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maria. She was a bright and cheerful student in her class, but she had one feature that made her stand out: her dark complexion. Unfortunately, her classmates didn't see her beauty and instead teased her mercilessly, calling her names like Cole and Darky. Maria tried to ignore them, but the constant ridicule took a toll on her self-esteem. She began to feel ashamed of her skin color and wished she could change it to fit in with her peers. She felt like hiding her face and disappearing. One day, Maria's teacher, Mrs. Cora, noticed her sitting alone at lunchtime, looking sad and withdrawn. Mrs. Cora sat down beside her and asked what was wrong. Maria broke down in tears, sharing the hurtful words her classmates had spoken. Mrs. Cora listened attentively and then shared a secret. She too had faced similar bullying as a child for her own dark skin. But she had learned to embrace her beauty and love herself just the way she was. She told Maria that her skin color was a gift, a sign of her unique heritage and strength. Maria felt a weight lift off her shoulders. She realized she wasn't alone and that her teacher, someone she admired, had gone through the same struggles. From that day on, Maria began to see her dark complexion in a new light. She started to embrace her beauty and love herself just the way she was. With newfound confidence, Maria stood up to her bullies and told them that their words couldn't hurt her anymore. She surrounded herself with supportive friends who appreciated her for who she was, inside and out. Maria's story spread throughout the school, inspiring others to celebrate their individuality and diversity. Maria's journey taught her that true beauty comes from within, and that her dark complexion was a symbol of her strength, resilience, and beauty. She learned to love herself, and in doing so, found happiness and acceptance.